How to use MT4 Charts. Now that the MetaTrader 4 platform is installed, it is necessary to learn how to handle the charts that will allow us to analyze the instruments we are going to trade. The first thing we will learn is the different charting options available on the platform. For that, we will open a Euro-Dollar chart by clicking on the following icon that we find in the upper left part of the trading platform. Then we will have to select the instrument and then the chart will be displayed. Now that we have the Euro-Dollar chart open, we can select the type of chart. The MT4 platform allows us to access 3 different chart types: bar, candlestick, and line chart. You can select the chart type at the top of the platform. In this opportunity, we will use a candlestick chart. In order to customize the color display on the chart, right-click on it and select Properties. For example, we will make the bearish candles red and the bullish candles green. For bearish candles, we will select a red color for both the bar and the bearish candlestick. For bullish candles, we will select a green color for both the bar and the bullish candlestick. Then we click OK and we are done. Our chart is now set up with our preferences. Now, it is also important to identify the time frame for the chart. In this case, we are working on a 4-hour chart. We can confirm this by seeing that in the upper left part of the chart appears H4 and in the temporalities section is also marked H4. If we want to change the temporality, we only have to click on the desired one. In this case, we will have to select a time frame of M30, that is 30 minutes. Once we have selected the time frame, we can start analyzing the price movement using trend lines and indicators. How can we incorporate this into the charts? We can do it like this. To draw trend lines, click on this icon. Then select a point on the chart and join it with another point, keeping the button of the mouse pressed. Once the points are joined, we can release the button. If we want to change the color and thickness of the line, we can select the line by double-clicking on it and then right-click and select Trendline Properties. A new window will pop up where we can change the color, style, either smooth or dotted, and thickness. Once you have reached the desired settings, click OK and the changes will be applied. To place horizontal lines, click here. To place vertical lines, click here. Now, if you want to add indicators to the chart, all you have to do is go to the top of the trading platform, then click on Insert, Indicators, and select the indicator of your choice. In this opportunity, we will add a simple 100-period moving average. To do so, we will select Trend and then Moving Average. A window will appear where we will select the parameters of the moving average. In this case, we will change the period to 100, leave the MA method to Simple, and click Accept. Immediately, it will be loaded in our charts and we will be able to start using it in our analysis. If you would like to add the same setup to another chart in a simple way and not add the indicators one by one, you can do it. The only thing you will have to do is to save the setup through templates. This is done in Charts, Templates, and Save Templates. Once the template is saved, if we want to apply it to another chart, we only have to go to the chart, go to the top menu of the MT4 and select Charts, Templates, and then select the template to load. Once selected, it will be applied to the desired chart. Finally, If you wish to see more than one chart at the same time and divided symmetrically, just click on the icon at the top of the platform that has 4 small windows. Once you click there, you will notice that it automatically distributes the charts and sorts them so that you can see them all at the same time. That concludes this MT4 tutorial video. Remember, if you have any questions or need help, please contact the Oanda support team.